Welcome to TrueNorth Business Consulting's presentation of a business makeover. TrueNorth Business Consulting focuses on health and wellness practitioners, but we can help all service providers. You are the expert of your business, but when it comes to legal, marketing, insurance, and project management, you may get confused. Whether you're starting out or it's time for a different approach, TrueNorth Business Consulting can help at TrueNorthBusinessConsulting.com or info@TrueNorthBusinessConsulting.com. And today we're going to have our presentation of a business makeover, where each month we'll bring some tips that can help your business. This month, TrueNorth Business Consulting is going to present legal ramifications of your business decisions. I was reviewing a contract for a client who was offered what seemed to be a great business opportunity. No money up front, but a share in the profits. It seemed too good to be true, and as I read it, I found numerous issues which needed to be discussed. It was funny that she passed it on to me before actually reading it herself. In speaking with my client, I found I need to backtrack and explain, define many terms that a business person would need to know to make daily decisions. And I just said it as we were going over some of the issues. Each decision has a legal ramification. And it was a scary thought for my client, which put what she was about to do in perspective. Suddenly, my hypothetical questions like, what happens if you do not want to sell the business? Because according to the paperwork I was reading, my client was in the weaker position and would be forced to sell. And that wasn't even a daily decision. Day-to-day things come up, like purchasing office products, dealing with employees, how you're going to deal with clients. So I know it can be overwhelming because, like my client, you may not have a business background. But this was an opportunity. Granted, there was some negotiation that needed to be done, and there was definitely some risk, but in essence, there was still a great opportunity there. So I came down to giving some advice. Don't panic. It's actually the best advice I usually give anybody. Ask questions until you are clear or you make yourself clear. Separate your personal feelings. This is not your friend. This is a business associate, especially in a partnership. And if I'm unfamiliar with something, I don't like to be rushed into making a business decision. So invoke the 24-hour rule and think about it. And it works on emails too. And lastly, collect opinions, because people have been faced with similar situations before, and you can learn a lot from their history. We even discussed that with project management, that you should have a historical analysis to see what works and what doesn't work. My client feels empowered now with understanding, and that is what you are striving for, to be able to make confident decisions, especially in the new year, keeping in mind that you can make most decisions without having a large legal ramification. Are you a health and wellness practitioner, a massage therapist, a fitness instructor, an acupuncturist, or perhaps a life coach? There are, of course, many others. Then you may benefit by looking at the TrueNorth Guidebook for health and wellness practitioners. Within the guidebook, you can find information on planning your marketing strategy, a review of insurance protection, the legal elements of business, and project management simplified. For more information, please go to www.TrueNorthBusinessConsulting.com to buy yourself a copy. TrueNorth Business Consulting provides expertise and guidance with the most necessary elements in your business, whether you are starting out or it's time for a change and you need new direction or a different approach with expertise designed especially for health and wellness practitioners. We evaluate your business for the following mainstays: legal, contracts reviewed, legal issues research, and business entities examined; insurance needs assessed, liability coverages analyzed; project management, business planning issues addressed and process education provided; and marketing, strategy planning and campaign development. We also offer services to educational institutions for help on their business programs. If you are interested in our consulting service or educational program, please contact us at info@TrueNorthBusinessConsulting.com. See you later.